Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Is your laptop super slow? Are you tired of changing the settings on your laptop? Have you recently changed your laptop RAM? Have you recently upgraded your RAM on the laptop but is still the same condition? Is your laptop not responsive when you click the mouse button? If these kind of problems you are facing, then this video is just for you. No bogus information but the legit one. Stay tuned till the end, and at the end you will come to know what causing your laptop go very slow and what is the genuine solution for your laptop. So stay tuned till the end. So on the first option we have to go to search bar, type edit power plan. Here you can see, click this, go to change advanced power settings. Here we need to choose the option which is here. Just go to high performance, select it, then click OK. One thing is over. This will boost your power performance. Then on the second option again we have to go to search bar, type power and sleep. Here it is, click it, go to additional power settings. Here click this, then we have three options here. Select the last one, high performance, then close this window. That's it. On the third option you need to click Ctrl Alt Delete, or else you can right click on the taskbar and go to task manager. Then here we need to go to startup. Here you can see the list of programs which starts when you turn on your PC. Here you can see which program is impacting how much to your PC. Like example, if you take this internet download manager, it says not measured. That means it could be high or it could be low. So if it is high it will be mentioned here, or if it is low also it will be mentioned here. But in my PC it is not measured. So if you want to enable or disable, you can select it and you can disable from here. This will only impact at the time of turning on. And then close this. On the fourth option, go to search bar, type run, then type %temp %. Click OK. You will find all the temporary files in this folder. Select Ctrl A and delete everything. Some of the files may not delete, just skip it. Now close this. Then again go to search bar, type run, open the run, then here again type temp, click OK. Then it will ask you permission. Just click yes. Again you will find temporary files, select all, delete it. Now again go to search, type run, then type prefetch. Again give the permission, click continue. Same thing, Ctrl A, delete. These are the temporary files. If you delete it, it will clear your cache memory and it will boost your speed. Now on the final step, go to search bar, type view advanced settings. View advanced system settings. Go here, go to first option, that is performance settings, and then here you can select whichever option you like. We will select it adjust for best performance. Now this will give boost to your PC. Click apply, then OK. But remember, in this scenario, if you do not have SSD, NVMe SSD or mSATA, then these operations will not impact on the speed of your laptop or desktop. Remember, to get the best speed on Windows 10 or 11, you must and should have SSD on your PC or laptop to run the Windows. and after that you need to apply all these settings. So guys, hopefully this information will solve your issue. In case if it doesn't get solved, then we are always here. If you want to learn how to repair laptops, and if you want to keep yourself up to date on technology and electronics, this is the right channel for you. If you found this information worth subscribing my channel, do not forget to subscribe it, and please press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.